All right. So, can you see the chat?
Yeah, I can see the chat.
But what page should we be looking at? What page should we look at?
Maybe let's look at not coin. No, let's look at this thing. Not USDT. Yeah, let's just look at it.
I didn't hear you.
Also USDT. Also, let's look at Solana USDT.
Solana USDT.
No, can I say ticket? Can you take
All
loans?
right. This is Solana USDT.
Yeah.
All right. So we talked about the theoretical aspect of high and low of the week, right?
Mm.
All right. So from the theory, we already understand that it is from the 4 hour time frame that we draw the high and low of the week, right?
I'm not hearing what you're saying.
So from the high and low of the week, we draw it on the 4 hour time frame from the theoretical aspect that we did last.
Yes.
Right. So this is the daily time frame. This is daily time frame. So basically, we've done support and resistance, we've done trend line, we've done psychology level.
Yes.
Now, we do high and low of the week. Then in the next class, we'll be doing some combination as well, using it as a combo with the other ones. So
Okay.
let's go to the 4 hour
What's
time
our
frame.
topic after high and low of the week?
I didn't hear you.
What's our next topic after high and low of the week?
All right. So after the high end of the week, we'll do a combo of everything we've done so far. The next class is going to be mastering it. After that, then we'll be heading into um, how we can recognize our chart patterns. That's the next thing we'll be going into. So our chart patterns
Okay.
like our head and shoulder, rising wedge, falling wedge,
Okay.
um, parallel wedge as well.
Mm-hmm.
How to trade it, how to work with our parallel too as well, and
Okay.
basically chart patterns.
Fibonacci retracement.
Basically chart patterns. I didn't hear you.
Fibonacci retracement. I say
Yeah,
Fibonacci
yeah.
retracement.
Fibonacci retracement is a topic on its own. It's not part of chart patterns, right? We have Fibonacci
Okay.
retracement. We have the Elliott wave. So when we're discussing Fibonacci, we'll be discussing Elliott wave.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the only problem I think I'm having after this, like to understand the market structure, to know what the market will do at the same time. But I know it will just take time, sha. But I'll just keep processing.
Yeah. So the market structure is basically, well, we'll talk about that as well. Talk about it as well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, close it too. Or is there anything you will do to like understand the market structure better?
I didn't hear you.
Is there anything you do to hear the market, like to get understand the market structure better? Because I want to understand the market structure more, like why the market did this, like that's something of that nature.
Okay, can you give me an example? Like, are you looking at this chart right now?
Yeah, okay. The market is going up trend. Like, let me say the market reaches resistance level and starts coming down. Next thing, the market just broke the resistance level again, like I want to understand the reason, like all those reasons why they take those steps.
Okay, yeah, I get your question. So, the number one answer to that question is the market is very dynamic, right?
Yes.
The market is very dynamic. Now, we
Mm.
as traders, we can't say this is where the market is going to go, right? Because it's
Yeah.
just like you saying, let's say for example, you are walking on the road, right? If you're walking on the
Yeah.
roadside, maybe on a highway roadside, on a walk side,
Mm.
what's
Mm.
the tendency that you're going to meet someone on that road? What's the tendency that there's going to be a car accident on that road? What's the
Mm.
tendency that you understand? This is just like a random question I'm asking, right? Now we
Yeah.
don't actually know where the market. It's just like how the market. You don't actually know where the market. Or let's say, for example, you are entering the market to buy something, right?
Mm.
Now, what's the tendency that you're going to see something to buy at a particular price, right?
Okay.
What's the tendency that you're going to buy 10? Let's say you want to buy a bag. Let's take what tendency that you're going to buy 10 bags or more. Or
Mm.
what's the tendency you're going to see exactly what you like. So that is exactly how the market is. You can't actually say this is how it is going to go.
Okay.
Do you understand? So it might get to that, just like the example you said. You said, what if your question is, what if this market comes to this resistance?
Mm.
Okay, this is not moving. Let me refresh. Go back to Solana. So let's say, for example, what you just said now, this is
Yeah.
breaking up, right? That's the
Yeah.
question. What's the
Yeah.
reason behind it? Now, the
Mm.
market is very dynamic. It has the right to go wherever it wants to go. Do you understand? So we as traders,
Okay.
we can't say the market is definitely going to break this up or is definitely going
Yeah.
to come down. So what we
Yeah.
do as traders is we predict what the market is going to do. It's just like we are anticipating the market or we are
Yeah.
speculating the market. We are saying, okay, if it has done this in the past, right?
Yeah.
It's definitely going to repeat the same act in the future.
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yes.
So that is what we are doing like a prediction for the market based on what it
Okay.
has done in the past. Now, in the
Okay.
future, it might change. It might not repeat that same thing in the past, but it has a high tendency of repeating that same thing in the past. As it did in the past, it has a high tendency of
Mm.
repeating it, but it might still not repeat it.
Okay.
Yes, but it has a high tendency of repeating it and a low tendency of not repeating it. So that high tendency it has of repeating what it has done in the past, that is what we trade.
Okay.
You understand? If it's coming to this level again in the future, we are expecting it to do what? Sell. Understand?
Yeah.
But it might break that level and we'll be wrong, right? That will end up being a losing trade. Do you understand where I'm going at this?
Yes.
So it might break the level upward. So I can't say, okay, this is the reason why it's right because the market is dynamic. If we can actually predict that the market is going to break up or break down, or we have solid reasons why the market is going to reverse or break higher upwards, right? Then
Mm-hmm.
I don't think we'll be predicting anymore. Instead, we'll be just trading as we see the market goes, right?
Yeah.
Do you understand? So that is why basically that's why we do what we call we are doing
Yes.
something that happened in the past, and that thing that we're going to use that same template and fix it in the present, right? To determine what might
Yeah.
happen, right, in the future.
Yeah.
See what we'll do. And another example again, you can see at the bottom point here. That I just give you say, let me give you the buy example. You can see what happened when the market came to this point. What happened? It bought, right? It came to this point again,
Yeah.
this same level, right? This same level, it bought again,
Mm,
right?
mm,
Now
yes.
we are saying that whenever market comes to this level, is buying, right? So we are waiting for market. So we are trading it
Mm,
based on what has happened in the past. If we can't find this level in the past, we won't be buying from here. You
mm,
understand?
mm,
It's because of those levels we've gotten from the past. That is why what we are trading in the present. You understand? To management. If we always know where the market is likely to go, we won't be using risk
yeah.
management.
Yeah.
Do you understand? Please use proper risk management. It's dynamic. Market is flexible. That's why
Mm,
as traders we need to be dynamic and flexible with the market as well. That's why that is where risk management comes in. You understand?
yeah.
So you can see when the market came to this level, what happened? It bought again. When it came back to that same level again, what happened again? It bought again. Now we
But
are trading based on what has happened in this again. What happened again?
but
It bought again. Now we are trading based on what have happened in the past. The market still has rights to break down below, but based on what have happened in the
mm,
past, and we have seen so far that this thing that has happened in the past has a high chances of happening again and in the future, right? It has high chances.
yes.
That's why we trade those chances. It's those chances that we trade. We trade, we risk on those chances and trade it. You understand? That's why
Yeah.
trading is very risky. It's a high risky. It's a high risk business. But with proper risk management, you are good. We are trading the chances that has happened in the past that is likely to happen in the present. Just like at this point
Yeah.
here. So from that point here, where the market currently is, you can say, okay, the market is likely to is to sell from there back to this point. Do you understand?
Yes. Yes.
But it might still break it higher like this. But we are trading the chances that's happened here and here that it might likely happen here as well. That is what we are trading. Do you understand?
Yeah. Yes.
So that is how we that is basically what we look at when we trade. Now looking
Okay.
at the nature of the chart, the structure of the chart, right? The structure of
Yeah.
this chart, if you look at this stock market structure,
W.
can you hear me?
Yes, it's W.
All right, so let me take this one out. Let me take this out. Now, if you look at the structure of this chart, structure. Now, I want to talk about structure. Right, we're talking about two things. We are talking about is the market trending? Is the market consolidating? Right, that's the two things we are talking about. If it's trending,
Yeah,
is
the
it
market
trending
is
upwards
consolidating.
or is it trending downwards? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? Do you understand?
It's consolidating.
Yeah, that is what we are looking at when we are looking at market structure.
Mm,
Do you understand?
yeah.
When we say, okay, we want to first of all look at the market structure before we start to analyze. We want to see
Yeah.
if the market is trending or consolidating.
Yeah.
If it's trending, is it an uptrend or a downtrend?
Yeah.
Do you understand? That is basically what we look at
Yeah.
when we want to see market structure. Now, looking at this market right now, what is the structure you're looking at?
Yeah.
So what is the structure you are seeing on this current market right now?
Consolidating.
Yes. So since we have seen a consolidating market, we trade based off the consolidation, right?
Yes.
That this structure alone will give us an insight of what to look at. Whether we are looking at a buying whether we're having a buying bias or we're having a buying idea, right? Or we're having what a selling
Bias.
perspective of things, right? So that is why two things we are looking at when we look at structure of the market. So like the first thing to look at when you're looking at the market is the structure. When you see the structure, right now you are seeing a consolidating market, right? A big
Yes.
consolidation on the daily time frame. So this is
Yes.
going to help us on this daily time frame to determine if we are looking at the buying aspects Or we
Yeah.
are looking at the selling aspect? Are we looking at more of buying or we are looking at more of selling? Right? That is what the structure helps us to determine.
Mm,
So any question
mm,
for one thing?
mm.
I think I've answered your question based on structure, market structure.
Yeah, 15, 15. Yes.
So any questions?
No, no, no. There are no more questions now. Just that you need to keep like studying to get.
All right. So based on structure is based on what your eye can see. Based if
Yes.
the market is trending or if it's consolidating. If it's trending, fine. You look at the market in that trending manner. If it's trending upwards, that means if it's an uptrend, you're looking at more of buy. That will give you an idea that okay, I want to see more buying opportunity. I want to be looking for buying opportunity. If it's in a
Mm,
downtrend, you want to be looking for
yes.
more of selling opportunity. If it's
Mm,
consolidating and the market is in a support zone, you want of that consolidation, you want to look for a buy opportunity. If it's
mm,
consolidating and the market is on a resistance zone, you want to look for sell opportunity. Currently, it's consolidating and the market is on what? A resistance zone. It's around that
yeah.
resistance zone. So we want to be looking for more of selling opportunity, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
we don't actually make our final decision based of this, but we make our beginning decision, right?
Yeah.
The beginning of our
Yes.
decision is okay, we want to look for sale opportunity. Then we go to the lower time frame to look for other things as well. So on the 4 hour time frame, where we'll draw our high and low of the week, our time frame. So these are 4 hour time frames. So the high and low of the week, just like I said before, is the candlestick that formed on Sunday and Monday, right?
Yeah. How will I know them?
All right.
Like
So
how?
from the one you from the theory we did, we said the last candlestick that forms on Sunday, right? And the first candlestick
Yeah.
that forms on Monday.
Yes.
So you can see if you're looking at this chart, you will see at the bottom here, you will see the dates. Just be looking at the bottom here, you'll be seeing dates, right? Are you seeing the dates?
Yeah.
Monday, 4 o'clock, Monday, 12 o'clock, right?
Yes.
So this is what? Sunday, what? 8 o'clock. Next one is
Yeah.
Monday, what? 12 a.m., right? So is this two candlestick we'll be using? The last candlestick on Sunday, the first candlestick on Monday. Do you understand?
Okay. What was the last candlestick on Sunday now?
This is the Sunday, 8 o'clock. Can you see it below?
Yes.
So after this Sunday 8 o'clock, the next one is what? Monday, right?
Yes.
Sunday, next one is what? Monday. That means this is the last candlestick that formed on Sunday, right?
Yes.
All right. So now, since this is the last candlestick that formed on Monday, on Sunday, we'll have
Yeah.
to what? Highlight it.
Yeah.
So this is it here. Sunday, Monday. So what we have to do is we come to this place. I'm saying this in practical based on the theory we've done, right? You can look at your
Yes.
notes and you see it. We come to and pick the horizontal ray tool. This is the horizontal ray tool right here. Horizontal ray.
Mm.
It's not horizontal line, it's horizontal ray. Alright, so we come to the
I'm not
bottom.
sure. Which horizontal review again?
This is it. It's below horizontal line. This is horizontal line here.
Mm.
The next one is horizontal ray. Can you see
Okay.
it?
Yeah.
So you come to the bottom here of that candlestick that form on Monday, on Sunday
Mm.
night. Now, what I said is you find the highest point that those two candlesticks got to and the lowest point that those two candlesticks got to. Now, these two
Mm.
candlesticks that are here, the lowest point they got to is this point, right? This is the lowest point the both of them got to. These two candlesticks, right? Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, can you guys see the two bullish candlestick?
Do you understand what I just said?
Yeah, I understand.
All right. So these two candlesticks that are here, the lowest
Yeah.
point that these two candlesticks go to is this point.
Yeah.
And the highest point that these two candlesticks go to is where? This point.
That point. Yes.
So click on that horizontal ray to this it up here. up here. So this is our high and our low of this week.
Okay.
So let me leave this here. Let's draw the high and low of the week before this one. The week before this. So we use that as a back testing. Then we'll come back here. So let me draw the high and low of the week before this one. This is it. Let me look for Sunday. Okay, this is it around here. Sunday. This is Sunday and Monday. All right. So let's do a quick back testing. Now this is Sunday 8 o'clock. This is what Monday 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. So now the lowest point that these two candlesticks got to, this is it. Are you following?
Yes.
So let's use the horizontal ray to get the lowest point that they got to, and the highest point that the both of them got to is up here. Now, now let's look at how this high and low of the week worked last week. I'll remove it once we've done. Now look at this week that passed. Look at the way it worked. Now you can see when the market came up from this high and low of the week, you can see the market came back down to that high and low of the week. What happened? Support zone. Can you see?
Yes.
Then when it came back down again, what happened again? It but when the market came here to break that,
Yes.
then when it came back up again to break it, right? It came back again to serve as
Yes.
what? A support zone again, right? To go
Yes.
higher. So can you see that the high and low of the week serves as what? Support zone and resistance zone.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's know what happened in the present week.
Yes, all right. So that's what I want to do. I want to take this one out. So now
Let's
let's
know
look
if it
at the
is the same.
present right now.
Yeah.
You can see after it, the market gave us our high and the low of the week. But
Yeah.
it rejected.
Yeah.
Then it found the support zone around here.
The
It's coming back
support.
down to the high of the week, right? Which is also a
Yeah.
support,
That.
right? So the market can
Yes.
break it. But
Yes.
based on the high of the week, we can go for a buy trade from here. But the market still has the right to what? To break it to the downside. And if the
Yeah.
market breaks it, if the market breaks it,
That if the market should break this, the resistance zone of this new week, it's going to come down.
if the market should break this one, this one,
No, no, like
this one,
the this thing.
the high of the week.
Like if we should break the second high of the week.
This is the low of the week. This is the high of the week. So which one are you talking
Yeah,
about?
I'm saying like that's the high of the week. The
Yes.
other high, not the second high of the week.
Is it this one?
No, like the up one, not that one.
This one.
That resistance zone after it broke the high of the week.
Which resistance zone?
That will I say triangular? I don't know pattern like that edge there.
Hold on. Is it here?
There. Yeah, after it broke the high of the week.
Is it this one?
No, no, like the other high.
Which one? This one.
No, no, like after
This one.
the after the no after the high of the week.
This is the high of the week
That
here.
place, that place
This one.
that is an inverted hammer up there.
Wait, let me remove these arrows.
That place that
Is it
is
this one up
inverted
here?
hammer.
Is it this one?
Yeah, yeah. Can I call it second high of the week?
No, there's apart from these two candlesticks that formed at the first Sunday and Monday, there's no other high of the week.
Okay, okay,
Apart from this one, these two candlesticks, the highest point they go to is the high of the week. The lowest point they go to is the low of the week. So apart from those
okay.
2 points, which is the high and the low of the week, the high of the week, the low of the week, there's no other one
Yeah,
again until the next week.
okay.
So maybe you can call here a resistance zone because the market sold from there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right. So any questions?
No,
So let's go to
but I'm
another.
still having questions like on how to identify them.
How to identify the high and low break.
Yeah, should you use your 4 hours time frame?
Yes, go to the 4 hour time frame. The candlestick that
Mm-hmm.
formed on the candlesticks that
Like,
formed on the last day of Sunday and the first day of the first the last candlestick that formed on Sunday, the first candlestick that formed on Monday. You can see right
okay.
here. If you go right here, look at the dates and time below. What you are looking at down here. You can see it
How,
there, right?
where am I going to click to see the date and time below?
Where are you going to click on your phone to see the date and time below?
Or is there any tool or indicator I'm going to use?
Wait a minute. Are you using your trading view normally to look?
Eh?
You don't usually
No,
see
no,
time or you don't notice it.
maybe I've not noticed it, but
It's always
I
showing there.
know.
You're going to see it. Just check if you're going to see time there.
Okay, wait, let me check.
Because it's always there. Unless you have not noticed it on your screen. But it's always there.
And I'm coming, I want to on something first. Okay, okay, I've seen it.
Alright. So it's something that is there on default. It's not something you add or something you can remove. You can't remove it.
Okay.
So any other question?
Mm,
So once you go to the chart, go to the 4 hour time frame, look at that date and time below. Right? You can see here is Sunday, October 24, 8 o'clock. And the next candlestick, you can see it's Monday, right?
yes.
This is Sunday, October 20. This is Monday, October 21, right? So once you are
Okay.
seeing
Mm,
Monday once you are seeing Sunday and the next one is Monday, right? Just pick that Sunday and that Monday. Look at the highest point they got to. Look at the lowest point they got to. So let's go to BCH USDT. So this is BCH USDT.
mm,
So this is the 4 hour time frame, right? So same thing. We look at the dates below. We are looking for Sunday and Monday, right?
yes.
This is currently Saturday. Just be looking at the time and the dates as you scroll through it with your cursor, right? So this is Sunday 4
Yeah.
o'clock, Sunday 12 o'clock, Sunday and Monday. So let's zoom in to that point. So this is it. This is Sunday. This is Monday, right? This is Sunday, right? Can you see it? This is Sunday 8 o'clock. This is Monday 12 a.m., right?
That's Sunday, 8 o'clock p.m.
Yes, and Monday 12 a.m. Can you see it? The two candlesticks
Let me,
that formed on Sunday, the last one that formed on Sunday, the first one that formed on Monday. With the dates, you can see that this is the last one that formed on Sunday on the 4 hour
yes,
time frame, and this is the first one that formed on Monday on the 4 hour time frame, right?
yes.
You can see it right there. So the highest point that these two candlesticks got to is this point. So we use our horizontal ratio,
Mm,
horizontal ratio to signify this point. So this is the horizontal rate. This is the highest point they got to.
Yeah.
carry again. Lowest point they got to. You
Yeah.
understand?
Yes.
So you can see how the market has been reacting after he gave us the higher low of the week. The market then sold, right?
Yeah.
Then we are looking at this market either breaking it downwards or using that as support zone here again. So it can
Yeah.
break it downwards or use here as a support zone, back up or down.
Okay.
So the higher low of the week also serves as what support or resistance. So let's do see what
Yeah.
happened in the past last week before this week. Let's just look at last week. Okay, it's Sunday, it's Friday, it's Thursday, it's Tuesday, Monday, Monday, it's Sunday. All right, this is it. It's Sunday and Monday, right? The lowest point, look at the candlestick. Sunday, 8 o'clock,
Mm.
Monday, 12 a.m. Now the candlestick, the highest point that this candlestick got to is this point. The two highest point it got to. The lowest point the both of them got to is this point. Right? That is just one candlestick that made the 2 points, right? These
Yes.
are the two of them. But just look at the two of them. The highest point that the both of them got to, the lowest point that the both of them got to. So you can see what happened
Yes.
here when the price broke this one, and the price broke it upwards. What happened? It turned it towards a support zone and boom, it went up. So the higher low of the week can also serve as what support or resistance zone.
Yeah.
So let's do one more pair, one more. So I'll look at different questions and they'll call it today. All right, let's look at where should we look at this time around?
Let's look at BCH, BCH. Let's look at Notcoin USDT.
Not USDT. All right, it's not USDT. For Monday, around here. Let's zoom in. This Monday, this Sunday, right? Can I see it from
Yeah.
the date? Sunday and Monday. So the highest point that these two candlesticks got to is this point. This is the highest point they got to, and bring it down to
Mm.
that point. So this is the lowest point they got to. Oh, Kokoli. So this is the lowest point they got to, right?
Yes.
So you can see when the market broke it down, turn it to resistance zone, and boom, kept on selling from there.
Yes.
So let's look at the one what happened last week before this one. So let's go to the Sunday, last candlestick on Sunday, first on Monday. It is somewhere around there. Is it? This Sunday and Monday. Can I see from the time when they got to this point? Can I see that? It came back there,
Yes.
it's bought again. It came back there, it bought again, right? Then it broke it down. Then it came here, it broke it up, right? After I broke it up, it came back there, turned to a support zone, turned to a support zone again. Can I see? So the high of the week also serve
Yes.
as what? Support and resistance zone.
Yes.
Yeah. So I know someone actually that trade basically supports it trades basically high and low of the week. Whenever it draws a high and low of the week, you just wait for the market to react there and it places it straight. Right? But we don't place our trade based on this 4 hour time frame. We can draw our high and low of the week on this 4 hour time frame, but we'll go to the lower time frame like 4 hours. We go to the lower time frame like 1 hour, sorry, like 15 minutes to place the trade. You understand?
Yes.
Is there any question?
No.
All right.
I want to ask a question. Like, can like if you can, what happened last week happened this week? Like, if you do back test, like using distance.
Okay. Can what happened last week happen this week? Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. Yes. Like, can if you use this thing like different part. Let me say it gave us a triangular pattern and a W pattern. Like, can this thing happen the next?
I didn't hear you.
As like the second will give us a triangular pattern and the next will give us a W pattern. Like, that's what I'm saying. Like, can it still happen? Like, let me say they give us W.
W pattern can come every week depending on what you're looking at, right? It
Yeah.
can come every week depending on what you're looking at. Now, this is the 4 hour time frame. We might not see a W pattern on the 4 hour time frame and we'll sit on the 1 hour time frame or we'll sit on 15 minutes time frame. Do you understand? So depending
Yes.
on what you're looking at. Now, if you're looking on support zone before you place your trade, right? You can see it every week. With the possibility. Yeah, do you understand? You can see it every
Okay.
week on the lower time frame. Because before you
Oh.
see a W pattern form on the higher time frame, it will first of all form on the lower time frame, like 15 minutes time frame.
Okay.
So that's basically it. So okay, let's say for example, for your W pattern, can you give me an example on the screen right now, like what you are looking at um for your W pattern?
Mm, I can give example. Maybe like from that place, the seven under, it went up, came to 11,
Okay, where
went
is it
up,
here?
came to 4. Yeah, yeah. From 7.
Okay, from 7, this is 7, around there.
Yeah.
Okay.
He came there, he went up.
Okay, you're talking about giving you something like this. This is what you call W pattern. This is something like this.
It's not W pattern.
All right, so we look at W pattern based on the nature of the chart. Do you understand? The nature of the pair,
Okay.
the nature of the particular pair you're looking at. Now, this
Mm,
W pattern, if you want to be trading W pattern on this North coin, you understand? Maybe
mm,
W pattern or M pattern on the North coin. We have to look at the
mm.
chart's previous movements. You understand?
Okay.
To know, okay, is this has this been working? Has it been giving us this W pattern or this N pattern before it makes a move? That's the
Okay.
question we ask. All right, so let's do that and see if we can do it on Altcoin. All right, so looking at Altcoin and based on the W pattern and M pattern, right?
Yeah.
On the chart, I think from the past on this point, because when the market came here, it gave us something like a W, right? So I think
Yeah.
at this point,
Yes.
so I think it's something that's going to be working. It came up here. Let me do it again. It gave me a W here,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
It gave me a W here.
Yes.
Yes, I think based on this, the nature of this chart, it's going to be giving a W pattern. It gave me a W here, and if you're looking at the inverse of that, it gave me a M here, right?
Yes.
Give me a M here. Give me a M here. So that's it. So I think yeah, based on the W pattern and the M pattern, we can actually use it to place trade on Notcoin. But if we want to look at M or W pattern on any other pair, right, we have to look at the nature
Mm.
of that pair in the past how it has been what moving according to that W or M. Do you understand?
Yes.
So you can see really from the past, and you can see that it has been giving us that pattern, right? So we have a
Yeah.
possibility of this pair going this way. So it has already giving us this. That's the possibility of what coming back up. You understand?
Yeah.
So because of this W, we can place a buy trade from here because of we are looking at it to come back up.
Okay. Oh.
You understand? You can come here and place a buy trade like this.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just looking at it based on the nature of the chart. If you are looking at M, always and W pattern, right? Based on the nature, you can place a trade like this. You understand?
Yeah.
So based on the nature, we can place a trade like this. So since it has worked here, it worked here, it worked here, it worked here, it has worked